In 60 seconds I'll show 4 ways to start Windows 11 in safe mode on laptops and PCs. Method 1, open Settings, go to System, then Recovery. Under Recovery, click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. After Reboot, choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then Startup Settings and Restart. When Startup Settings appears, press 4 for Safe Mode or press 5 for Safe Mode with Networking. Method 2, hold Shift while clicking Restart from the Start menu or Sign-in screen to open the same advanced options. Method 3, press Windows R, type Config, open System Configuration, go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot, choose Minimal, Apply and Restart. Method 4, if Windows won't start, force 3 failed boots to trigger automatic repair, then choose Advanced Options, Troubleshoot, Startup Settings and Restart. Alternate F8, open Command Prompt as admin, run bcdedit/set default boot menu policy legacy, restart, then press F8 during boot to access safe mode. To exit safe mode, open Config and uncheck Safe Boot, or simply restart normally if safe mode was temporary. Quick recap: Settings, Shift plus Restart, System Configuration, and F8 or Recovery, 4 paths to safe mode. If a method doesn't work, try a Windows Recovery USB or consult Microsoft support for your device. Subscribe for more quick Windows tutorials and hit the bell to stay updated.